My hands are in the shot, or
Kind of.
I know sometimes I might use hands because I'm Italian.
That's fine. You got to try this. Alessio, take 2.
It had great reputation online. People were talking about it, people were excited about it, the testimonials were great, the success rate of people being hired was very high, and it was very reassuring overall. Got a lot of support from the teachers online. They were literally like one click away in the Slack community. Every time you would send them a message, right away they would answer to you. They would be definitely helpful for portfolio making, for projects, for everything basically. The course definitely has improved my confidence since the first month I started it. As soon as I could understand the psychology behind users, I was already confident enough of talking UX design with other designers. With the course being university accredited, you definitely stand out from the crowd. So after I applied for the company, I was invited for an interview in the office where I was able to show my design thinking, my projects, my sketches before I could actually deliver the final product in my portfolio. And I basically got the job after 3 months and a half that I was in the course. So I'm a UX and UI designer, which means that I basically kind of do everything. But the nicest thing about my job is that I see my work going from a sketch to a real digital prototype, and that's really a satisfaction. One of the things that interests me the most about UX is the way that you can empathize with users. You can really understand the problem and the reasons behind the making of a product. In the end, making the users happy. I guess that's one of the most satisfying things about the field.